Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Guess what we're making today? Ogbono soup. How I love to cook my food. I don't overcook my food because when you do, you are destroying the nutrients in it. Nutrients help to build healthy skin and healthy living. In this video, I will walk you through how to make ogbono soup. Though this is one of the recipes, I will continue to make more recipes. Make sure you like this video, share and subscribe for more videos. So we will start by preparing the ingredients that we need. You wash clean the meat, the dry fish, stockfish and other things and cook until tender. I added small water to jumpstart the cooking, the meat cooking. You all know that when I'm cooking meat, chicken and all that, I don't use water. I start with low heat. So after that, we'll wash the vegetables and cut into chunks. And then in a pot, you add some red oil, sliced onion, and fry a bit. Add grounded ogbono and fry a bit. Fry until the lumps in the ogbono have melted. Okay. And then add water and cook for 5 minutes. Add the rest of the ingredients. Cook for 10 minutes. And during this time, check for salt, pepper, Maggi, and adjust if needed. And after 10 minutes, add vegetable. Then turn the vegetable until everything is well mixed. Turn off the stove and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Okay. And now you know. Enjoy. And sit back to watch the rest of the video. A big hug to all my fans. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.